Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Lisa. I'm a Salesforce certified CPQ specialist at ENWAY. We are a Salesforce consultant and ISV partner, and we help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. In this video, we'll explore pricing methods in Salesforce CPQ. Let's start. Salesforce CPQ stands for Configure, Price, and Quote. This tool simplifies the whole process of configuring product bundles, pricing them, and generating quotes for customers. Check our previous video if you want to know more about CPQ bundles. Also, CPQ allows businesses to create complex pricing structures for products or services. It helps manage product configuration, generate accurate quotes, and streamline the sales process. With different pricing methods, you can apply various discounts or markups to customize pricing on your product. There are 4 basic native pricing methods in Salesforce CPQ: list, cost, block, and POT. Let's take a look at them. The first one is a list. It's a pricing method where the product price is based on standard list price set by the businesses. This method can be useful for businesses that want to maintain consistent pricing across all customers and products. With CPQ, businesses can easily update their list price and apply them across their entire product line. The second method is cost. It refers to a pricing strategy where the price of a product is determined based on its associated costs, such as material cost, labor cost, and overhead expenses. The third one is the block pricing method, which prices products based on predefined quantity ranges. Instead of setting a fixed price for each unit, you can define different prices for specific quantity blocks. This allows you to offer volume-based discounts or tiered pricing to customers based on the quantity they purchase. For example, you may have one price for quantities between 1 and 10 units, a lower price for quantities between 11 and 20 units, and so on. This helps companies to encourage large purchases and provides flexibility in pricing depending on quantity. And the last pricing method is POT, or percent of total. Also, it's called dynamic pricing. The percent of total pricing method is a way to price products or services based on a percentage of the total value of the quote or order. Instead of setting a fixed price for each individual item, this method allows you to define a percentage that will be applied to the total value of the quote or order. So, Salesforce CPQ offers businesses a range of pricing methods to create personalized, flexible, and competitive pricing structures. If you're unsure about how to develop effective pricing strategies in CPQ, don't worry, ENWAY is here to lend a helping hand. Contact us via the link in the description. Okay, that is all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!